Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we talked about this yesterday. The bands are still tight. We spent yesterday, this is the red candle here, basically fighting over the 9-day simple moving average and fighting over the daily mid-band. We didn't solve much. We traded up to 76, we traded down to 65, and we landed right back in the middle of the range. So you can see how tight. The lower this slope goes here, I'm over here on the Bollinger bandwidth down in the bottom of the chart. The lower that gets, the tighter these bands get. Compression, expansion, compression, expansion. But don't get fooled into trying to guess the direction of the expansion. The nice part about expansions is when they come, there's plenty of time to get in and there's plenty of handles to be had. So it's not a situation where if you don't guess the direction, you're going to be left out in the cold. And, on the contrary, if you try to guess the direction and you're wrong, then, congratulations, you're the short squeeze or you are the push lower. Don't do that. Now, getting into where we have to be for the day. The bulls want to get up over 76 and stay there. The bears want to get back below 65.5. They want to convert that and head down to the lower band, down at the old double bottom from 2 weeks ago, and the second hit was last Monday, or Tuesday rather, at 54. This is an hourly chart, okay? Here's that second hit at 54. We went up to these 88.75s. You've got a potential double top here that still hasn't been taken out on a lower high versus the 88s. Yesterday, here was the pop in the morning. We trade down to 65.5. It was a nice trade for us. It landed right on our proprietary lower level. And so we were able to run one of our standard trades and just, and basically sit in it, for a nice little way to, it was a nice way to end the day. We made a higher low in the overnight, and now we're back to weekly pivot. What the bears wanted to see here when they woke up in the morning was a solid, 7, 8, 9 hours of resistance at the weekly pivot. Instead, what they're waking up to is 7, 8, 9 hours of support. So as long as this 73.5 area holds up, and if you look on a 5-minute chart, you've got a double bottom there, about 5:45 in the morning Eastern time and a little bit after 7 o'clock Eastern time. If that holds up, that's represented by the lows on these two candles here and here. If that holds up, it can get over, and if it can get over 76 and stay there, which is no easy task, then it can go after 82 and 88. That's what the bulls want to do with the day. What the bears want to do is get a reversal. They want to get back into the 63 to 79 area, convert 69 all over again, take out the daily pivot in the 70s, and go work on yesterday's lows down at 65.5. The advantage goes to the bulls because of the way things have acted overnight, because of the weekly pivot, and because they were able to hold in yesterday. Bulls don't really get an advantage, though, until they take out yesterday's high and convert it to support, and that's 76. So watch 65, watch 76, weekly pivot, 82's on the up, 88 on the up, 54 on the down. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll see you for the midday update. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.